Right, so I'm out here in my workshop. I've got 2 cured loins of OSB pork, been cured for 7 days using Wetschensfelder's Sweet Easy Cure at a rate of 50 or 5%, which is basically 50 grams per kilo. These are, I think they had about 75 grams each, something like that, in the fridge for 7 days, turned, washed and then dried out. And I'm going to put them now into my replaced cold smoker from hotsmoked.co.uk. The original one I had, I've still got the original. You look here, the original burning smoker part. I'll think of the right word later. I had to replace the cardboard box after 7 years because, well, things get used. So if you look down there, you've got some trays, a block, and then down at the front here, down at the front there, hopefully you'll see, that is where we put the smoking piece in a minute. So first up, I'm going to get these 2 pieces onto some metal trays and into the box. So there we go. As you see, the loins I put fat side up. You can do it either way. That's what I've done. See the second one down there, we're at the top, and we're going to shut this up and I'll show you how to light the smoker. Right, so here we go. I've got some apple wood for this first batch. I've also got some maple wood and some oak, English oak to smoke as well. Now this is dust, which is built specifically for these cold smokers. And what we need to do, if I can do this one-handed, is literally fill the smoker ring, but you need to leave the metal bit showing so it doesn't short out. Well, not short out's the wrong word. It won't burn in the circular pattern that it's supposed to. So let me just finish this off and I'll be right back. Right, so here we go. See, it's all filled up. Oh, a little bit overlapping there. Not that that would be an issue, I don't think. But and then down here is the lighted point, and I have a tea light candle and some matches. So let's try this. Right, so lit the match. I'm going to set fire to the, well, set fire to, I'm going to light the candle, blow the match out so as not to set my workshop on fire, and then literally I'm going to slide that under there, and we're literally going to wait. You see it's slightly angled there, so it heats slowly and it'll start to burn up here, and then it follows the route round to the middle to there where it finishes, and that takes 6 to 8 hours depending, and I will do this twice because I do like a fairly strong smoky flavour to the meat. And you'll see that the smoke is just starting. I'll zoom in there a little bit. Can you see it's just starting to smoke? And what I want to see, because I don't want to put it in there with the candle at light, we need to get this smoking, so I'll be back shortly. So here we are. This has been going about 5-6 minutes now, and that's really what you want it burning before you put it into the box, because the oxygen supply will go out. So you need to make sure that you've got you know, a good burn on it. And because it is at an angle, there's not actually a huge amount of light yet, but it is, as you can see, it's turning to ash, so it's burning nicely. So we open this door up, and I'm just going to prop that open with the apple wood. Just about, there you go. Pick this up, it's slightly warm, but I can pick it up, and we literally just slide it in under there. You take that away, and you can see that it's in there. You can't see very well because of the light, but we close this door now. There's a little gap for airflow there down the bottom, and in a few minutes time you should see through this little hole at the top there, we should see some smoke coming through, so we shall see. Let's see how the smoking's going. Look at that. Lots of nice cold smoke. It's not warm. Obviously not going too yellow yet. It's been going hour-ish, thereabouts, just under. But you can see there is plenty of smoke. Oh dear, yeah. Cool. Smells nice. So, it's finished after 2 smokes. Look at the colour of that. Isn't that just amazing? Right, so this is the second batch finished. This is the maple wood. Look at that. Amazing. Look at the colour. Well, I'm going to bag this up and then we're going to get on with the oak. So here we have the 3 different smoking dusts I've been using. So this one is the maple, quite light. This one is the apple, you can see slightly darker, and then to the right is the oak, which is considerably darker. So this is the oak smoke, just catching on fire there, as you can see. It's about quarter to 10 to 8 Saturday evening. This will take 8 hours to burn through this, so it'll finish about 4. I'm normally up about 5, so I'll come up and relight it again about 5:30 for the second smoke, just for the extra flavour, and we see where we go, and I will show you the difference between the 3 different So here we go, these are 3 different pieces. So starting on the right there, you've got the maple smoked piece, followed by the lighter apple, and then the darker oak piece. All nicely cured, smoked, and ready to be sliced. And finished, lots of bacon, and that's the oak, that's the apple, and then there's the maple. It seems to have that really darker colour on the outside, but lots of bacon, all Oxford Sandy and black. What more could you ask for?